Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make ice cream Gola at home. First, ensure you have a good ice shaver, either manual or electric, and some Gola sticks. Next, prepare your ice by freezing filtered water in small, manageable blocks or cubes. This makes the shaving process much smoother and helps create that perfect, fluffy texture. Having everything ready beforehand ensures a fun and easy experience for everyone. Now let's talk about those delicious syrups. You can easily make a simple syrup by combining equal parts sugar and water, then heating until the sugar dissolves. Once cooled, add your favorite fruit essences like rose, orange, or colacata. For a natural twist, try blending fresh fruits into a puree and mixing it with your simple syrup. This step truly brings the Gola to life with amazing flavors. With your syrups ready, it's time for the fun part, shaving the ice. Aim for a very fine, snow-like texture. This is key to a great Gola. Once shaved, quickly press the ice firmly around a Gola stick, shaping it into a compact ball. Don't let it melt. Then, generously drizzle your chosen syrups over the ice, ensuring full coverage for maximum flavor in every bite. For the best experience, serve your ice cream Gola immediately after preparing it to enjoy its frosty texture. Get creative with toppings. A drizzle of condensed milk, a sprinkle of roasted nuts, or even some fresh fruit pieces can elevate your Gola. Remember to check the description for a link to *The Simple Path to Wealth* and other great deals. Making Gola at home is a delightful treat, perfect for any warm day, and a fantastic way to enjoy a burst of flavor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.